Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super duper excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I silk press my natural hair at home. So I am starting out on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I'm just removing the buns that I had it in, and I'm just going to go in with my Shea Moisture Miracle Leave-In styling treatment. And so basically this is just a super lightweight leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love this product for straightening my hair because it helps to add some moisture without completely weighing the hair down. So once I get that product evenly distributed throughout my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my Redken Antisnap treatment. And basically this is just going to help prevent split ends as well as breakage. And honestly, this product is super duper lightweight. I barely feel it on my hair. And so if you guys are concerned about just adding too much product to your hair, of course, just go according to your density. But for me, this is not a lot of product at all, and it is completely fine. So once I get all of that product distributed evenly, I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair into 4 different sections just to make it a little bit easier to work with. All right, guys, so once I have my hair in 4 sections, I'm just going to go ahead and spray some of my Tresemme heat tamer all over my hair. And I honestly am so liberal with this product. Again, I try my best to make sure that I am preventing heat damage at all costs. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and run the comb through my hair really quick and just make sure that it is thoroughly detangled before I get ready to start the blow drying process. All right, guys, so when I start blow drying my hair, what I really like to do is this tension method. And I mean, to make it really simple, it's just me holding my hair with a little bit of tension, and that's whether you are using a paddle brush, your hands, or a comb. And I'm going to blow my hair out about 70%. So I'm going to get it about 70% dry because I don't have a comb attachment on this blow dryer, and I'm not really good at chasing the blow dryer with a brush or a comb. So anyway, this is just going to help the hair from tangling up. It's going to help the hair from trying to stay curly. And so I really like doing this process again because it just makes my blow dry time very easy. It helps me to not break my hair off because, again, I'm not really good at the chase method. But anyways, this might help you guys out as well if you have trouble in that area. All right, guys, so once my hair is about 70 to 80% dry, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my Fantasia heat protecting serum. And I absolutely love this serum because it helps my hair to look so silky, like after the flat ironing process. And also it's that added layer of heat protectant. So next you're going to see me go back in with my blow dryer. And so now I am able to do the chase method because I have blown my hair out about 70% dry, and I use that tension method just to prevent any tangles, guys, because otherwise my hair would be a big ball. It would be a big tangled mess. All right, guys, so this is my hair completely blown out. It is 100% dry. I think it is pretty straight. So basically, I'm just going to keep doing this entire process throughout my entire head. And so that's just basically me spraying my Tresemme heat protection on there, using that tension method that I mentioned earlier. When my hair is about 70% dry, I will go ahead and apply some of my heat protectant serum, and I will finish off the blow drying process. And we are done. My hair is 100% blown out in this clip. And here I'm just honestly assessing my hair. I'm just looking at my split ends, and I'm just making sure that it is 100% dry before I proceed to straightening. All right, so here's the fun part. I actually already straightened that back section of my hair, and I am just trying to focus on this front section so that I can show you guys exactly what it is that I do. So I am going to go in with a little bit more of that heat protectant serum from Fantasia or Fantasia if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But I'm just going to make sure that is distributed all over my hair. And like I said, I love this product because you guys are going to see how silky my hair is going to look when I get done flat ironing it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. And I really do not make the sections too big, but it's not like extremely small either. So, and how I pretty much gauge it is I don't mind going over my roots a few times, but I honestly try not to go over the lengths of my hair no more than twice. So once I make sure that my hair is completely detangled, I'm just going to go ahead and position my comb just to chase that flat iron. And I am going to start the flat ironing process. So what I like to do is just go over my roots a couple times just to make sure that they are not frizzy. And then I just go down the length of my hair. And sometimes I do have to go over the length of my hair maybe twice, but I honestly try not to go over it more than 2 times. All right, now that I've shown you guys how I flat iron my hair, I am literally going to repeat these same exact steps all over my head. I'm going to make sure that I am not parting my hair too big or too small because I do not want to be here all day. And then I am going to position my comb. I'm going to go over my roots maybe 2 to 3 times. And then I'm going to go down the length of my hair no more than twice. Done flat ironing my hair, I am just combing through it just to make sure that I get my hair lined up evenly. I am looking at these horrendous split ends that I have, and I'm honestly just assessing and just trying to figure out how much I want to cut off. Guys, I am not a professional, and so I honestly just do what I can. And I'll say this as well, to be honest, it makes me so nervous to cut my hair. Because I honestly just don't want to cut off too much. And for me, I'd rather cut off too little and have a professional fix it than cut off too much and I'm around here looking crazy. But anyway, so as you guys can see here, I am just trimming my hair, and I honestly don't do anything fancy. I just line it up in front of me, make sure that my part is even down the middle. And then I just make sure that both sides are even, and I just try to gauge it as best I can. I can also say as well, the first part of the clip did get cut off because as you guys saw, I was showing you guys how split my ends were. Then I come back with my hair trimmed. My camera completely cut off. So I do apologize about that. But guys, I promise you did not miss anything. Just me lining my hair up and then just cutting off a little bit. I didn't take off a whole lot. So, yeah. So after lining up everything and making sure that everything is even and everything looks nice, I am done, you guys. So I typically can get my straight hair to last about 2 weeks to a month. And honestly, a month is pushing it, but if I dry shampoo at the 2 week mark and then just kind of re-flat iron my roots, then I definitely can push it out to a month. And basically how I preserve this style is overnight. I just simply do a large Bantu knot bun and I just slap my scarf on. But apart from that, I make sure I spray a little bit of the anti-breakage oil on there from Organics, or I'll use the Organics coconut serum. But other than that, that is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It would really help me out. Also, leave me a comment down below and go ahead and like this video. Anyway, guys, stay safe and I will see you in my next one. Bye.